In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate timesheets and approvals in ClickUp. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. We'll start from the list view where you can see all tasks. From your main workspace, open the list called All Tasks, so you're looking at your tasks in a list format. This is a common starting point in ClickUp and makes it easy to jump into other features from the same area. Once you're in that list view, look toward the top or upper right side of the screen for the option labeled More. This is usually represented as a menu that gives you additional tools and views that aren't immediately visible on the main bar. Go ahead and click on More. This step is important because a lot of ClickUp's advanced functionality is tucked away in this menu. From the options that appear, you'll see a section or item that becomes highlighted when you hover over it. Click on that highlighted option that leads you to the time area. This will help you move from the task-focused view into your time management tools. Now you should see the time section, and here you'll find My Timesheet. Click on My Timesheet to open your personal time tracking overview. This is where you can review the time you've logged on different tasks, check specific days, and make sure your entries are accurate. Next, look for the option labeled All Timesheets. Click on that to switch from just your own time to a broader timesheet view. This is especially useful if you're a manager or if you need to understand how time is being logged across a team or a project. Once you're in the wider timesheet area, you'll see a tab or button called Approvals. Click on Approvals to access the approval workflow for tracked time. This is where you can manage which entries still need a decision and which have already been reviewed. Inside the Approval section, you'll see several filters or tabs that organize entries by status. Start with To Review. Click on To Review to see all the timesheet entries that are waiting for your approval or feedback. This is your main queue for outstanding items. Next, click on Changes Requested. This view shows any entries where someone has asked for edits or clarifications. It's helpful for following up and ensuring those corrections are made before final approval. Then, click on Approved. This tab shows entries that have already been signed off and can be used for reporting, payroll, or simply tracking completed work. You'll also see a tab called All. Click on All to see every timesheet entry in one place, regardless of status. This is great for a complete overview when you want to compare or audit time logs without switching between different filters. When you're done in the Approval section and want to focus back on your own time, click on My Timesheet again. This takes you back to your personal view so you can make adjustments or double-check your own entries. Finally, inside your timesheet, find the filter or label called To Do. Click on To Do to focus only on items that are still open or require your attention. This helps you quickly identify what still needs work or additional time logged, keeping your timesheet clean, up to date, and easy to manage.